Healthy weight loss snacks recipes. Snacking is good when you feel hungry between meals. Choosing healthy snacks will help you and your family stay at a healthy weight. Each of these snacks is in the 200-calorie range, so you can snack guilt-free while trimming down. Even mix and match the snacks to create tasty, new combinations. 1. 30 pistachios. 2. 2 hard-boiled eggs. 3. 1/2 small bagel, plus 1 ounce smoked salmon, plus 1 tablespoon cream cheese. 4. Cup steamed edamame beans. 5. 1 medium apple sliced, plus 2 teaspoons peanut butter. 6. 1 cup 1% milk, plus 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup. 7. 3 cups cheddar popcorn. 8. 1/2 cup low-fat yogurt, plus 2 teaspoons honey, plus 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, plus 1/2 cup raspberries. 9. 1/2 apple, plus 1 slice cheddar cheese. 10. 3 tablespoons chocolate chips, plus 8 pistachios. 11. 1 cup red bell pepper slices, plus 1/2 cup refried beans, plus 2 tablespoons guacamole. 12. 25 almonds. 13. 1 avocado. 14. 1 slice banana nut bread. 15. 1/2 English muffin, plus 2 tablespoons cream cheese. 16. 1/2 cup frozen yogurt. 17. 1/2 English muffin, plus slice of tomato, plus slice of mozzarella. 18. 6 ounces Greek yogurt, plus 1 cup strawberries. 19. 1 medium apple, plus 1 stick cheese. 20. 10 carrot sticks, plus 2 tablespoons dip. 21. 8 tortilla chips, plus 1/2 cup salsa. 22. 4 ounces 1% cottage cheese, plus 3/4 cup fresh fruit. 23. 5 whole wheat crackers, plus 1 ounce cheese. 24. 1/4 cup hummus, plus 1 cup raw veggies. 25. 1 large bunch of red grapes, about 50. 26. 20 Kalamata olives.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,